Hi, how to insert a microSD card into your Xiaomi C200 smart camera. First, the camera needs to be turned off. This is essential to prevent any potential damage to the device or the SD card. Next, carefully move the lens upwards to reveal the SD card slot. Gently insert the card until you hear a satisfying click sound. Power on the camera. Once the card is securely installed, the camera will begin detecting it and optimizing it for immediate use. The camera will start rotating. Just wait for the blue light to blink once and the rotation to stop. Next, let's check the current status of the SD card in the Mi Home app. Open the app. Choose the needed camera and then clicking on the Open button. Go to Settings by tapping on the three dots. Inside the Settings menu, choose Manage Storage and then navigate to SD card status. You will see the status of the card and the available recording time. The status Good indicates that the SD card is functioning correctly without any issues. Thank you for watching. You will find more tips for your IP camera in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.